This project was inspired by a guessing game. What I really like about its number are random. The main friends I created for my project are the ability to give players a chance to guess for multiple, multiple attempts. I use Python to build my project. During class, I learned loops and if else statements, which I used in my project. Loops is used to give player more chance. If else statements is used to tell players where he gets too high or low. Here is an example for code I wrote for my project. The code in part one generate a random number. The code in part two is the main program which checks the answer with the player. Thank you.